Well, those high winds we saw last night left some people in southern Indiana waking up to damage in their lawns. A tree care expert is teaching our Alexander Goldberg and photojournalist Gabby DeGeorge how to keep your trees from wrecking your property.
They're a double-edged sword.
Winter has made its return, and if you're here in southern Indiana, you probably heard it Sunday night. Loud and high winds pummeled through our viewing area at the end of the holiday weekend, knocking down trees like this one on Country Lane Road in Sellersburg, Indiana.
It sneaks up on you, but whenever you hear a tree start snapping, you know, it's a distinctive sound. You know what's happening.
Josh Bixler owns the tree trimming service Bixler Land and Tree in southern Indiana. We met him in Utica as he started to remove 6 trees at the request of a landowner who was worried they would uproot and topple over this winter.
A couple of them are locusts. Locusts get some decay spots in them just from branches breaking out.
Our WHA's 11 weather impact team reports SDF Airport saw a 54-mile-per-hour thunderstorm wind gust Sunday night, which the National Weather Service classifies as a threat to life and property. But Bixler says the threat of downed trees is the strongest when there's rain.
Thankfully, the ground wasn't as saturated. We didn't have a lot of rain leading up into the storms this time, but it's definitely something that people need to be aware of for the future.
Bixler says to protect your property during a storm, you have to be proactive. Check the base for any signs of rotting or decay and look up into the tree and make sure none of the bigger branches are cracking.
Just really paying attention to how your tree's health looks, especially in the normal time of the year, you know, whenever they're supposed to be healthy and be fully leafed out.
After a couple days of spring-like weather, Kentuckiana is back to freezing cold and high winds. And companies like Bixler Land and Tree are mindful Mother Nature can take up some roots. In southern Indiana, Alexander Goldberg, WHA's 11 on your side.
Well, despite those high winds, we've been following it closely today. There were no major power outages in southern Indiana overnight. Same for Metro Louisville, where there are only 18 customers out at this very hour.